mane wankubadde byakwatibwamu naye yo yagwa.
Yagwa. Ani asinga mpozi?
Ndi lwacho weeyogerere byo. Lwacho yagala kunzitira kofi. Nze of course gwemba ngambye mbu yasinze ku mutima yoyo. Naye nga bashibaholics of course shiba yabasinze waffe abalala nabo oli yabasinze.
Okay.
Ebintu tobinteekako nnyo abantu banagamba nze nabba obululu.
Kati King bamukoledde party, bamukoledde very nice party. Nti eri yali losers party.
Eriwa.
Ya Shiba.
Eri gye bakola ku federation.
Yasooka ndi yali losers party. Bana basindi mmwe.
Naye abasindi ate nga bakuba nnyo.
Mweyogeza.
Ani yabyogedde sindi oba bbaawe?
One of their kids.
Baina ne kids. Bana mmwe muzaala wa Shiba gwe muliko yeruuza.
So atunnyonnyodde embeera we yali of course ate tavanga addressinga byonna ebyatambula.
Nene kwalo twakuba naye party eri ku Nomad. Era twanyumirwa.
Mwanyumirwa.
Aina yali winners party.
Atugambye ekituufu bazanyira ku byuma.
Ekyo buli omu yakiraba mu
intention nti balyagala ebyuma.
Oba ebyuma just byawulira nga ayimba nnyo ne bigamba ate tokisussa.
Waliwo yabinigatiga.
Byali bifaafaamu naye nze ne ndowooza bajja sikalikako ddyo.
Balina okubakuba.
Ayimbenga Shiba.
Balina oyimbanga Shiba.
Shiba yali ayimbanga ebyuma ebifudde.
Mpo emboze entashi. Omanyi weyo.
Igwe, the king has soul.
Some we original, some of them are copycats. Listen, what I'm going to watch us to official actual after party $1. So, Mama Nadia.
Tulina okuwa credit wezikola ki wezigenda. So I respect Cindy, and Cindy tafali ku dancehall music yateekako ettafali ddene ku foundation of the music of Uganda. So respect my sister.
Cindy stands strong because she has a very supportive team behind her, and among her team is her family.
N'ekirala nali mpulidde ennaku mwana nga ndabye abayaye bakoze pate nenkona ku Agi n'agamba ayo losers party yesoose. Okitegeera. So I'm so happy and grateful, man.
Ekintu kya national anthem nga omukolo tegwali gugwo kyavaawa.
It was a national event. It was a national event, and I actually nze bwe najja kushona nimanya agenda gikola. But I decided I'm also going to do it because my show is my show. So I didn't care if she would have done it before. I wanted to start my show mu Butongole because for me it was a national event, so the national anthem was important. For me actually, I think I've learned that from Uma. I've learned that every event in national, what your national anthem. So for me it came naturally, Okolachi or Chikola. Just a Masapegi Nayongera is that I had a brass band which is about 50 people playing. That's the only thing, because I wanted it to be huge. I could just have one person singing, but I had the whole brass band doing it. See, there's no way that should bring me back. I took a break to give birth. So I had to take my time to raise my babies and then come into the industry. It's not like Navako, Nago, it was intentional for me to go quiet. Kuba I wanted to get married and do other things and then come back bulungi. Nzendo za singa yali inagwaza yali ziza mikwano je. Ngabola anti Lilian babazi mukwano gwenyo. Ate she has been her career hasn't been very vibrant. Yoyo yali yambi sinze. The sound was a huge problem for me. Ngawe mujjukira nti nalema okukola sound check because ebyuma tebyaliyo. Ne basooka ne bangamba nefunira ebyuma byange, which was totally unprofessional. According to our contract, n'engeri buli show gye bagikola mu mwali mukirabyeko nti artist bamutuma ebyuma bye tekiriyo. So the next day they realized Ali Prince omwami wange n'ababeerako nnyo until he made sure they bring the backline. But when the backline came it was late. So basically sakola sound check. Sound check wange bamukola ndi ku stage nga ndi kuyimba Run This City. So that is why the sound teyaterera. Yatuko terera like third session ngegwako fourth session. Kubanga wakati bali batanso tegeera my levels za my key na ngeri ya kumixinga mu eddoboozi yange. Kuba tebifaanana, and yet my competitor yalina obudde 2 days before yaliyo, on that day kumachaba aliyo, like boba chivola sound ye yali good from the first minute baba funa obudde nze saabulina. So now that's why I got that problem ti nali maaso nga bandi yange njiwulira like 3 seconds later, so nga tetukwatagana byennyimba tebye bija later kati nga I can't dance because so kuzinira ku bintu ebiri offbeat, so nalina okudda emabega tubeere wamu ne bandi yange, so sound yantawanya a lot.
Talking to Muganga in an interview, yangamba microphone yobajija na Germany.
Yes, that is true. They had to get my microphone. It was not here. It was not in Uganda. Era bajija bweru. The biggest issue is that Muganga tetuwa munenya. You understand? He's the guy who pays the money. Who makes sure how much you need for this nakolachi nazitekawo. So for him on his side, he did everything possible to make sure to both sides bafuna chebe.